Yeah man, this a coloring book TV movie. You see my face? Yeah, you don't know say one family. So check it out. I wanna go epic cause you don't know say everybody stick together and do the thing together, you know what I mean? General,
Public, you are going to know now. Let's say something to you.
Tell them.
Coloring book TV for the people and only for the people.
Well said.
But you are going to know, want to big up Retreat. You see me, because some people are saying big them up and want to big up Sheffield. The whole line and Negril, you get what I say. But you are going to know now. You see Negril Fire Station, I want to give them a special big up.
True.
And them know the reason why. Thank you now. For you look how strength you want to give it. Coloring book TV for the people and only for the people. And big up everybody who tune into a movie, a public.
Oh, you know what I mean? Oh!
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Babes, what you?
I just feel depressed.
Babe, not tell me sir this what we talked about last night again, babe. What you fret? What you worry about? Babes, listen. If you not go cheat on me, you want cheat already. If me not go cheat on you, you want cheat already. What you worry about? Me understand say you want a baby. Me want a youth. You can't listen what doctor say. Enough time doctor wrong all of my doctor. Maybe I can my fault. Maybe I me can give you a youth. Go just wait and praise God. You believe in yourself?
I believe in myself, yes. But babes, you know.
Babe, shh. You believe in yourself. You believe in me, right?
Yeah, but we get older. And look how long with it, and I know me can't get pregnant.
Babes, listen. This is sometime when problem in a way, I understand say I go feel a way. But watch you know, and me and you, and we in this together. You see me? You see if you drop down and you get up back, sometimes you can help up you, but sometimes you have to help up yourself. Babe, please, me not go cheat on you. Just give it some time. Please, hear? You see me? Just give me a chance.
Oh man. I want to hear Pitney they run up and down and little laughter. I'm making I just get somebody pregnant. Me will take care of baby like I'm my own.
Babes, me know you love me. But you can't send me for go cheat. And a part of relationship that, babes.
Omar, me I give you the permission. Just do what me tell you to do now. You know what, me you happy?
Babes, you see, only permission me need if you love me and me love you. Me don't need that a permission there. And right now, all of my begs, me need to go begs with you. Because I just know so I stress out right now. A matter of fact, I just go take a walk and go in the street. Because I can't bother with this, babes. A matter of fact, I need to like when me in our argument. So I just have a boy in the town. I soon come back. Can't cheat on me.
Sir.
Watch it up. I'll give you the one and the one to know. What I mean, stop telling me lies. Give back the money. I found the kind of the money. You told lying.
Long time I hear from my sister-in-law. Now what's she coming for?
Hello? Sister-in-law.
Hi. What happened? Girl, you know so me. Girl, right now my time I just there. I just wash out whole heap of clothes. Just done. You good?
No, I'm not good.
What to you?
I'm just there stressed out, girl. You can't come check me, please. I want somebody to talk to. I don't want to talk over the phone.
Alright, may I come now?
Alright, me the one.
Alright.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Can I get a water please and an orange juice? Hello? Alright, come here.
Sir, can I have some tea, please?
Girl, where your parents are? Where they are, Sabi? Come off the street and look a child. Mind man dry over here.
Tia!
Yeah. Girl, may I come?
Son, hot man, hurry up.
I don't feel what it like. You put it on the sheet for sure door.
Come fit no, I'm going to son, acting a girl.
Go over here, son.
Sister, your bedroom look good, though.
Why? Look what it is, but something missing.
You don't like how you look.
I'm stressed, girl. You don't understand that? I'm stressed until I'm confused, girl. I don't know how to think. I don't know. I just fed up.
So, I'm not one question. What really are going?
What really are going? I want not going. Girl, I want one baby. I want one baby and I not see it happen. But really and truly my wife and me are the problem. Right? Listen, like me I tell him say he can go have one baby with somebody else. So me can look on me son.
No, it come like say. Me not hear good. What you say?
He can go have one baby with somebody else. You know what I mean? Say, I want him to do it behind my back. You know, me I gonna know about it. You understand? I love him so much. Me I gonna did it through the process. You understand? I want him to be happy. The way I love him, girl. I want him happy. I don't want me and him in a no argument because of baby. You get what me say?
Alright. Me understand what you saying, no, sis. But me no want he go now, you send him to go get one pitney out there, right? And then remember say things like them there, you see, you and him now in a one good relationship. You send him out get one pitney. And then mash up on the relationship. How that would I feel?
I understand what you say, girl. But you like you not listen to me and you not understand me.
Sis, me understand what you say. Girl, I just got on time. You love him though?
Of course, what kind of question?
I mean, know my brother love you. He love you so much. He love you with his heart, soul and ribs and everything. He love you bad. So he gonna go out there and go meet this girl and get a child with her. And then fall in love with her. How you would have feel? You mash up your own relationship, girl. You get what me I say? Things soon alright. Suppose him go out there now and go get a child and then boom, when I look, are you pregnant after? Girl, me know see you stress and everything, but this not healthy at all. This not sound good way you tell me say you want him go there get one pit and you don't know about it. No, me not feel this not go work. You understand what me I say?
I understand everything you say, girl. I understand, but may I tell you, I understand. Don't think me not understand what you say. You never in my situation before, don't?
No.
So you see, you're not in my shoes, so you don't know what me I go through.
Me know where me understand where I go through because me have a lot of friends who go through the same thing where you talk about, and me always I tell them say don't go do that. And you see one will go do it, and the same thing when me I tell you go happen to you. Him a go fall in love with that the girl, I mean, I want to see me because I love see my brother. Girl, that you even know I love soon together. Oh, what you say to me now rubbish?
Babe, last night, man, super fragilistic, man. Jesus. Yeah, man, tomorrow night again.
But chap!
Don't say a word.
But, Tid.
Up, my G. What you going? Thing level?
You hear my father? So I pray.
I'm there reason.
Jesus, anytime I see you clean out, so you know, if me have all one sister, I look things to my sister big one, me have to lock up the gate, you know. How you go?
There I go and cool out and try to think about some business, you know, making money and all that stuff.
You don't think about business. Do your do business. And one thing you think about. Which gate fi pull up. And that you think about.
Sometimes we have to calm it down. You know, think already. Life, you know, we don't again, you know, like them time you run up and down and feel and so forth.
True, my father.
So things with you?
God know you. You must have say every time you come check your problem, you come with it. I can't go on my friend. You're only someone I can't talk to. I'm a woman again.
At it.
You never tell you last time, so we got a doctor over there. The doctor, I say, I fear for why your child. But me I tell mama say you can't stress yourself because only first doctor will go. Sometimes we have to check out on second and third doctor.
Yeah.
So she are crazy. Every minute me and her in an argument. Like she send me to go find a girl to get her pregnant. And me I say, Mama, I love you, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Me and her in an argument this morning, my friend, and I just leave. I know say, it's strange thing, my friend. Go out in the town and my son look a girl I beg. But yo, me don't know like the third time I just think about the little girl, because I say that I look a nice girl. Like you have a little frowny scent and he's nice, but you can't see saying dirty. Why she in the street? She no more 14, 15 a beggar or something. Like it just don't made my friend. I mean, if what you want a child and
that I'm gonna say to you, say most time thoughts attract that upon which it is directed. Cause if you're subconscious, I think about that, your mind go also, just play that. But yo, sometimes
you're right, my
some
father.
things can wrong and we don't know if you're wrong and right, because we have to leave it in what we know, because seeing is believing, not true?
Yeah, daddy.
Yeah.
I know some a boy work like counsel people and talk to people, but right now, my bro, I'm not telling him I feel like I'm no on the country now. Like, that's why I can link you if you can reason with my friend, because like, I don't go on like through me in the street. Sometimes I feel like I lose it, so I just can link you if you talk to me bad bro.
Alright. I'm sure about it. You see, it's the most time in our life, and you can't pressure your brain, you can't overdo it, because we only can do more. We can't do more than what we can do. See, and when I your time. Right now, I might not your time to get a youth. Maybe if you go to a road and book a little one thing and do a little one thing, it might all happen right there. So, you know what I mean? Because so things going on sometimes, you might have wanted to with moms and just for moms times yet. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, when you think about baby and sitting, you have to think about yourself too, because you have to ready as a father, mentally, And I just want to go on.
Ready.
But how you ready?
No, alright. I don't like me think about it, but I don't think about it a lot like how mama think about it. Because I just say, myself, what got to be. I mean, I cheat on him, because alright, me and you bridging. See you sit down just on me there, so. You must mosquito and fly past you, so. You must breeze past you, so. So if mama go send me out there now if you go cheat, me is a good guy. And me I go start cheat that person nice. By any idea, me don't know, me I go try fight it. Maybe the girl just go try make love to me, treat me good. Wash my clothes and brush out my slippers and take me. I don't want that, my friend.
Alright, but sometimes you have to make the water run down the stream, You understand? You can't push the water back up the road, because just like your water, you can't expect your water to run uphill right now. You understand me? I say, so you have to decide the mind. So if you are good on the hill, you're good on the hill. If you are steep on the hilltop, steep on the hilltop. You know what I mean? At this you have to reason it, but you can't do all of them one time, because I tell you, my friend, we're a man. You ever see one man like a multitask to the fullest? How man job that, brother? Left that alone. So what more you have to do? Just concentrate on a good relationship with moms first, and then everything will forward. Sometimes I can't tie up a tribe, because he not get no good, you know what I mean?
You know, say.
Spirit in him, you know.
You know, say from there, you counsel me good, you know. But is it true you want to look a whore?
Rough.
You know, understand the part where me focus on mom, but moms are nag me, bro.
Yeah, I see section part right now.
You, when you have somebody a nag you run gone, you know, and somebody else a counsel you, and I say you
things I used to do, I will do them no more. At some point you have to stop, you know.
Mama run it?
No man, she couldn't talk so loud.
So in it.
This is one different conversation. But yo, more want to reason with different.
No, you're running away.
No, listen me I say. More want to reason with it differently, but today and not that the conversation. But you and me I tell you, just concentrate on where you concentrate. Because right now it's a business card man depend on all them something and thing. I not say if you do road
more your time, you know.
But
hold on, you never say you have something to tell me.
Yeah, but me I tell you sir, I don't know at the time, you know.
What you have to tell me, bro?
Listen man, them not for different time. You understand me I say right now, me just want to know so you're good mentally. You understand me? If a man not strong mentally, no use, you know.
So what me fi do?
Just build.
Just go look on one and what me fi do?
No, just build. Just make time. Time on God. Have you ever heard that before? Time on God.
I tell mama. Mama say me and mama thin. Mommy and mama different when he maga say, you know. I know some mama fat, you know.
Yeah, man.
So me no want this him. Enough time I think about fi cheat, you know.
Somebody with the man, because you can't manage it.
No, me be a man.
Alright, it's just like you can't keep a secret.
Oh, me I check my phone lock. Enough time I think for cheat. Oh, I can't do it, my friend.
Yeah, because me know you, and you know me, and me know say you can't keep a secret. If you drink one rum or one girl wine for a certain way, you go up where you go tell the woman, say, babe, guess what, I'm down the road. And that can't work, so me I say, left it for me. You know what I mean? I left it for them people.
Sure, you know me too much, you know. One night me got choice, you know. I'm drink one magnum. He nearly happened, you know.
I tell you, brother.
He nearly happened.
Brother, I have to drive around the place and reason with you until we can see yeah, them start back bright. And I say drink a soup and you know what I mean? Me see your head kinda, you know what I mean? So yeah.
So what me fi do? Just go focus and go talk to him then.
Just build and reason with
no go trouble no woman.
No, I don't feel part of that.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Alright.
You never see donkey came on this park and run racing. You ever see donkey came on this park and run racing bit and bridle? That no work, bro. So just
ask.
No, me I say, yeah. You answer me I say.
So what you say then? Me ask?
No, me not say that.
Alright, listen. Me have one woman that can give me brother. Nice heart, brother. Me look good just like you.
Where you come in here and tell me, say? What you say to me? Get which woman?
You see it?
Brother, everything have its place. That me I tell you. Me not no, I'm for disrespect you like that, brother. Come on, man.
No, man, I just show me that run, man.
That me I say just calm down and
Alright.
go and go. You drink tea from man?
No.
That's a problem to you, brother. Sometimes it gas. Reach up now, you tapping now.
Me that hurt me, bro.
Me tell you, man.
Alright, me tell you, I not hold up no more time. I will link my man talk to him. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
me have to
link
reason
him
what
and
the
talk
business
to
are
him.
now. See?
So you go do?
Yeah, man. I just 7 days
All
all
the
the time.
respect
you know?
here.
Yeah,
man.
big up yourself, you know. Cool. Call that girl back, you know.
Yo, when I see Pinky? My sister.
For your sister you
Yeah.
talk about? She walk past up and down. That's it.
Alright, look at my father.
Yeah.
And the same thing me I talk about a while ago. It don't look good for a face side. You see how you get up now and start rate like a them big bull cow there. You see how you start going. That's why I tell you so when you think you don't really want to do it. I just a mind a fool about a heart. I say no. You have to stop, sis.
Sis, what one?
Brother,
You know some slippers I buy for your birthday so I'm not saying there.
yeah. Well, brother, just there. I
Hold on.
want to sister, man.
Hold on. Me not call you over here. And naturally when you're forward, you want to call me. I will call you over here.
So me not welcome.
No, sister always welcome, but me know your style.
Oh. Anyways, my brother Tia call me and I'm just there, counselor. Cause
Again. Listen. Sis, me I just say something to my baby, to Tia. I don't know if you know want to argument. I don't say fight. I may just get fed up and leave the house. Babes, I'm sorry. I don't know your fault or my fault. I'm sorry. Watch you know. Craziest thing happen look while I'm going to town. I'm going to the supermarket. How we girl named Lydia? If you go buy her juice. I look a nice girl, but she look dirty. Maybe look frowns not much. Say she beg me money. But anyway, I'm too stress out me and babes in an argument. Just walk past her. I'm just going to buy an orange juice and buy a water and pull it and get me and come back out. And I give her $700. But after I leave, like, me I say, why this a look nice girl in the street I beg like she not have no mother or no father. But me not tell her, it just duck on my mind. Me not if I show. Me I say, yo, want a youth, but it just duck on my mind. Tomorrow I go back out there again, but say I'm sorry. So babe, what happened? Hush man. You good? Sister, talk to him.
Yeah, me talk to her. I'm just a tell her, bro,
You know, so me have a better idea. You say anytime in a week or half time, I feel like I just want to have some ice cream or just go have a juice. Because maybe she just in the house and she not come out all long. What you say, babe? Is that good?
That can work.
Sis, cheer up, man. Cheer up, sis. Cheer up, sis.
Yeah, now I'm making
Some like how you, some like how you when I look.
Smile she put on.
I'm good, man.
You good? I'm going to go out here, so I'm not just having a look at girl talk and something.
Yeah, me just tell her, say, time kind of catch up some more. We're going to go deal with something here, sis. So,
Alright.
we link here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pinky, you know what I say? It's a thing I get too terrible now. But later I'm gonna come check it for real.
Babes, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you up on TikTok?
As usual.
Me know, man.
You know, more until I do sorry about what happened yesterday. I'm just stressed and confused.
Babes, that good, man. I understand, but you want to repay me? just scratch me for me and comfort me, please, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Babes, I know you know, anytime you want me scratch your head, that's something you gotta think about. What about you?
Babes, you know, I say nothing real bad at me. I tell you the truth. I just would like to say I apologize and everything will be good, you see me?
Alright.
Sir, can I have some please?
Come on, where your parents are?
Omar.
Eh? I doze me, I doze off, you know. Shit!
Sir.
I'll tell you. Babes, you know what I say? Me and public for deal with something in town.
So you never tell me say
No, oh God, man, sorry, man. Don't come here. Don't come here. Shit.
Sir.
No, you Mr. Rana say yesterday.
Yeah.
What you say you want?
Can I get something to eat, please? One bulla, please.
Just one bullet you want? Don't move, you know. Don't move here. Can cash it to me, please?
30. 75.
75. Look, a girl.
Nerve me, please.
Baby, calm down. Me not hurt you, baby. Me not hurt you. You want one juice? What kind of juice you want?
Any kind.
Any kind?
Yeah.
Alright, me not hurt you, here?
Yeah.
Me not hurt you here. Look here. Don't move here. You want juice? You want juice?
Baby. Them days are kind of smooth and sweet, and they make me feel like, a real king, real man, I appreciate you, man, but based on certain circumstances where your brother, you think it's your time for you know what going on?
No, babes, no. No, it's not the right time for you know, babes. No.
Alright, so one time I plan to settle down, you tell me, say, you hide and seek business now?
No, babes, and I hide and seek. Listen, I'm going to know, but me just know when I right time. Right now, I'm going to do some things, no.
So I'm to my things, I go through mentally, I go through mental meds, Every day, me there, we enjoy moments and sitting. Me tired for hide. Sometimes I come check you. That damn steel nearly juke off my head.
So why you be so aggressive? Why you be so aggressive? Calm down, me say
when a man is in love and a man wants changing perspective on life, it's not aggressive, it's just emotions, baby. You have to understand them something, Your brother and me are best friends, but it a kill me because you can't hide certain things from him. Yo, which day the income link me and we are reason and him I go through him stuff. I almost tell him. But if I tell him no and then it's like to me, yeah, deny me. When you put your card in the machine, it says decline. So me feel like I'm bankrupt, me broke.
Well, babe, nobody make your mouth slip because you're not gonna get nothing.
No, slip then for some of the case.
You jump and see your mouth now slip.
Never will slip
Come tell
because
us if you just take it easy.
I'm nervous.
Bad dog! Bad dog! Alright,
Yo!
Free. Can't turn on your son, man. I have all I link them, you know.
A school, man.
Jesus. That's how you saw it, man. That's a warm friend, man. Like somebody you sit down yourself.
Nah, man, it's his son, bro. What you talking about? His son, man. Yo,
Jesus
come on, man.
Christ, my friend. Turn on your son, man.
So how things
I
are?
Father. You are going on now. And I street me I come from.
Mm.
And you are now, you see, look, arrow me I show you what there with the little girl. Right now, me I tell you, say, come like one bandit, like one connection today. But before me explain and tell you, I want you cover for me. Because first, me tell my woman lie. Me tell him, say, me I go up and I move.
Me?
Jesus Christ. Listen, me no man before you get vexed. Brother, me just a think about the little girl.
How me no coming at this now? Brother, yo, right now, listen to me.
Listen,
Me a friend in about you
Jesus
can't put me in a certain
Christ.
situation. What if I see her now? And me tell her it's wrong thing now. She'll cut me off, you know.
But,
right now, listen me, I say, man, I try to redeem myself and come out of the dirty man lifestyle. Me no want people call me dirty man. No. Me no want nobody call me dirty man no more.
No. What you sell oil?
Dirty man lifestyle.
No,
me no,
before that.
Which me no want people put me.
No, you say you come out of a dirty man lifestyle.
Dirty man lifestyle, me I done with that.
Oh, you?
Me.
You?
Me. You see, look on my shirt. HUNGRY. Me hungry for happiness. That me a deal right now.
Any day you come out, me buy a beer.
So you have to go buy me a beer today, Ali Belly.
Watch out, man. Me sorry about that, man. But you want my father, man. Brother, me I tell you, say, he come like a father God that send a little angel our foot. And maybe I wear this. Oh, me and mama feel happy. Cause the little girl, like, she homeless, my father. And me don't know why me go home and I think about her. So me just tell mama, say, me go up on her works. So I know big lie me tell me, man. So me sorry about that because I should have called you and tell you that means if you come a yard and you don't see me, you could have cover for me. So me sorry about that. You what you do for me, my father, please. I look a girl that picture. My feet I lie down, she lie down asleep. So watch it. Oh, look on you, man.
I can girl look familiar, like.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
In a street, I beg.
1 and 2 times I pass.
You see her?
Yeah, man, and later night I try to get some.
Me know you have, no, you don't have every link. Me know you have every straight link. Someone you make a link over station and more know your situation.
Alright.
More know if you homeless, if you run, more just want to know your situation.
So like, you don't get her name?
No, me never ask her name because she's scared. Even me buy the bowl of gear, Don't hurt me, please don't hurt me. You know when them violate a little girl are
traumatized.
Yeah, bro. And when me ask her if she want a juice, when me go buy the juice, me can't find her. I walk go upstairs. She lie down full up asleep. On a piece of cardboard. I left 2,000, one coconut water, and I see some clothes in her bag. Me use to cover up her. It kinda, me know,
yeah, man,
it bother me.
You know,
so you run a program for me, please.
It's a good youth for training, because you're always a thing for the best interest of people, especially when it's the people less fortunate and something like that. Alright, here are just anything.
I send it to you right away.
To my phone and thing and make
a link every me.
Yeah, man.
Anything, if she homeless, if she have family, why situation.
Yeah, man.
Because I feel like more, if she homeless, I feel like more go through the process. I feel like more want to adapt her. I mean,
this year take it. Yeah, man.
I know some mama want love that. You see me?
But you're talking, mama, before you talk all these things to yourself?
To be honest, me not talk to you, mate, and the reason why.
Yo, you see me talk, you have to take it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't jump a 5 and go back a 1. You now go add up.
Father.
Add numbers, you have to even
it
out.
You know? You're right. But sometimes when you're right, one look wrong up on it. But you are the reason why, you know. I don't want to tell them about it and get excited and buy an idea. I use it for the force water to be ill.
Alright, well,
someone investigate and know, say, yo, me sure say money I come and get the tracking number, and then me sure say money I go send a yard, and then me can tell her about it.
Well said. You're learn, man.
Yeah, man.
You're learn, you know what I mean? So.
You know, so matter of fact, more say this to my sister, you know. Credit card not dead for me. They can call my sister.
You know, say signal last from 2 days ago, brother, your phone dropping on salt water and just salt up everything. So, you know, right now I done a place in my head and but me not really.
A 2 phone you have?
No, one phone man, that's a problem. If I have two, I could have lend you one. I make a call. You know, you read between the lines now. You can't, you know what I mean? But just go and do your thing, go buy credit
I must
and
imagine say you call mother. You have one?
no man, this is
Before me go, what you say you have to tell me? Every time you have to tell me something you know what you have to tell me? You say you want to talk to me something about important. What you say you have to tell me?
make it turn no, man. Why you want to do this much thing one time man? Make it turn no. Deal what you did first. Go talk. Just easy man, everything go alright man. Yeah man, one at a time.
Me I send you a picture just.
Yeah man, just send alright, send me a picture. Come
Alright.
me I connect back on the Wi-Fi.
Right now.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
Yeah, Wi-Fi.
Remember if you call me here.
Yeah, I call you.
Oh, you can't chat, so.
Easy chat. You see, I him love chat and chat.
You call on me when there's a wait.
Yeah.
Anyways, now, like I'm go away. Can you let me get catch?
Me tell you, slow your roll. Slow your roll. I have time yet. You look move too fast. Cock up back your foot look a bit, man. Smell the roses, man. The place nice and cozy. Give me 5 minutes. In Ghana, yeah, gonna cuss. Right now, a big argument go state. So you see, I'm going for later.
Ready. Babylon be still. Babylon be still. Babylon be still. Babes.
Don't come babes me.
Oh, I'm telling you, baby.
Where you come from all long you gone? And you just left out in a one rush like, what happened?
I saw me know you love me and you look short at time I got and miss me already. Then suppose I want 2 weeks me fly out for. Eh? Me tell you what man. Cause you know me can't lie to you. Cause if me a lie to you, me can't lie to you. If me a lie to you, me don't want to lie to you. Public. Me boy, me don't never choose still you know. Me know you're not going to believe cause you know public a world. Public say I left you man them 1-1 cause you want to look a nice girl. When you want to move in with. But also if you do that, you must feel left you man them 1-1. So me follow him go move out some clothes. Mama, a piece woman. No smell me babes. You know rank.
No.
A piece of I saw me do. Piece of woman show for me and
For
public.
some reason, me not believe that the story there.
Boy,
Public.
Me not believe neither. Public I say him a dash a whole heap of woman them because he have a nice woman when he want. But him have to dash them first before he move in. Me not anyway. Public thing have a public thing. So what me? You not cook or nothing?
No, me not cook.
So you not cook nothing babes?
Maybe. When me
Maybe.
calm down, cause me tell us something
Yeah,
in a
that's it.
range, you know.
Jesus, my sister not there.
No.
Babes. Alright, me know if you cool it down. How are yourself? Me I start you from here, so. Babes, me in your bathroom, yeah? I go warm up the water till you come.
Alright, sir. What a sweet.
Pick up. Sis, pick up. Sis. Ah, yeah. Sis.
Yes, bro.
My nice, clean, brown, pretty sister. Where you there?
I'm up on the road.
You up on the road?
Yeah.
Me a fan, man. And a fan. Me here and a fan. In a house.
Alright.
I feel your business like then, yo. Watch you now. 2 reasons why you link me. The first reason, one local girl, me not tell about one local girl right there. Why you link me, want to talk to you about that. And the second thing, me not understand how my friend a move so. Public. Me not like how I move, so I want to talk to you about that too.
Oh, alright. Now come now.
Yeah, man. You know, so I not like how public a move from right there. Public say he want to talk to me about something. And he come like, him just want to hear my business. No, I lie. Because I carry my business go give him. But he say he want to talk to me. So that means say, me no know one team. And I'm a friend. Me not like how I move if I go through one stress like one of a girl time and I stress out in and you don't want to tell me. Alright. Sis. There. Hold on. Consider me something. Hold on, let me sweep here, so. This year, sis, every corruption in my life, I sweep out it. Consider my sister.
Bro. Where you about public?
Are you afraid me so? Like, I'm not killing nobody or nothing. I say only thing for you about public in my war, you know.
Oh.
And you about if I woman or something. Just say me no like how you move, because you say you want to tell me something. You want to tell me something important and you not tell me. So me I say me no like how you move, I wonder if you know through my war and you have a bag of girl, I wonder if you fall in love with a girl and one of them time and you know how to tell me say, you know so I want to time me. And me I say I'm going to move out to all the girl out in life, can you have one girl where in love. So I say me no like how you move. You don't call him, and him a link.
No, sir. No, my brother, me no hear nothing from him. Me no know when they. Can't tell when last. I see him.
Me beg him man a call to call him man saying phone. When saying phone say out of service or something like that.
Oh, maybe my phone there give problem like that, you know, with the service thing.
So for my phone I give problem, if you no two phone alone, I give problem.
Me no know a line me have a digital I have.
Anyway, now watch that. Digital and Lime, them are sometime. But when me I say now, hold on there. But if one thing them a work, everybody say them phone a work, and how phone not work?
No, bro, a cable and wireless me have.
Cable and wireless still a run?
You know?
No. Anyway, me I say now sis. Me tell woman lie. Cause sis me not tell her lie. First time me tell her lie. Me go out of town, cause me I think about the little girl. I lie down in there and mama scratch me and just I think about the little girl how she homeless. He might beg and one bag of something and I go out there. Me I go in the supermarket. So me I go get her the water, go around and me meet her first. When me look, me hear somebody I say, sir. When me look at she asked me for a bowl. Me give her it. Me ask her if she want a juice, say yes. When me go for one coconut water, because I say that can wash off the corruption in her heart.
Bro, what make you stay so?
No.
Me know if you wash off hard.
Yeah.
But you know if you say to wash off the corruption in that little girl hard.
No, when me mean corruption, me no mean like she corrupt, because me no know nothing about her. But you look like she a go through a hard time. And sis, she kind of have look of touch. Me no mean in touch, you know, like one look of touch, because maybe she in the street, she nah, you know. So them things that me I think about. When me go out, you know, me can't find her. One man say go is stairs, when me go is stairs. I saw she fall up and lie down. Me give her the coconut water, 2,000 change. When me looking in bag, in suitcase, and then look a brown bag there. Me see son, me just take them out and cover him. Allow them frowns. But in can't manage to send them, I come like he used to it.
Her body immune
So
to
yeah,
it.
so it a bother me. So when me I say no sis. Anytime I saw a little girl in the street, it look like a runway or so me know, me I think about something sis.
So, hold on there. You know nobody we can run for information pan her.
I just so public come in. Public have every link. No, you have every link. Kind of straight. But me mean the straight link them, he have every link. And so my corruption link them, my police them. So me tell him to make a link.
Oh.
So anytime your phone sort out the cable and what?
Wireless.
Yes, and if your phone sort out, call him and when you talk to him too. You understand? Because sis, me I think about to adopt the little girl. That's no, that's why I want to talk to you. Because if my woman cannot send me, figure couple, somebody want female for one baby, I feel like if me can get the process and adapt her, it want better. I want me to go cheat my woman.
Well, my brother, you know someone want the best for you and everything, but me not think so that I want good idea. I only pass stress and problem more for you.
What make you not think I want good idea?
Bro, me just have this good feeling say I don't want good idea this.
Alright, hear me and say sis. Just think about it for me, please. You understand? A matter of fact, the last relationship where you come, you don't have no look how, I deal with you, meow, meow. What happened?
I just that with her. You see when mama did push her out, he push her out damn good. It just enough and mix up when already and
But me
too
not see
fast.
her bring nobody come introduce to me. For me send somebody for watch him to say if I'm a good man. You know lonely. Yeah, my sister, me have to care about you, you know.
I not have no man, bro. I don't want no man because the whole of them are player.
Well, that's true. That's true. Because I used to be a player, but I not play no more. But you can't find somebody who used to play and not play no more.
Well, anytime I get one good man in my life, I will carry him come and meet him.
Well, that's true. And one more thing. Which movie is your favorite movie? Alright, no worry about that. You never watch a movie, but the movie bad, but only one part in there you like.
Yeah.
But you love the movie, not true?
Yeah.
Fine one man, here. Thanks if you talk, here.
Alright, my brother, later, I love you.
Yeah man, love you, my sister.
You love my sister-in-law.
Oh, yes. Oh, you come here. You see, I just put some credit on the phone and top up here. You mean I bought you one base, I'm going to be and look out. So, shh.
Alright, bro, later.
Later. You remember what I say?
Yeah, remember what you say?
Fine one. Man.
Good man.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Father.
How do you?
Manners. Yeah. Father, you know some little girl who said the writer so on 14, 15.
I know some see her this morning though. She look like she look homeless. But I don't know what she going on now.
Shit. Alright, respect here.
Alright, father. Big
Heart of love, every
Yeah,
time.
man,
Yeah, man. Shit. Help! 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 Shawiz!
You have to calm down yourself.
Help!
Yeah, man, so. What do you mean? So the picture I'm sending you match the profile of this person you see right now. And I see him person you talk about. Nah, man, this has sound serious. Alright, so basically, what you say? She run away because of the parents' circumstances. Eh?
I want to talk to you.
Honey, hold on 1 second. Honey. Alright. So out of that match, also, it's because I adopted. Okay, alright. Let me pass on the message. Brother, as always, respect, you know. I don't know, you can still pass through, man, and we have a drink, man. We have some, man, that, I want three that. You understand me, I say? Yeah, man, me a virgin. Yeah, man. Alright, cool, we talk. Yeah, man, respect, yeah?
Babe, how do you?
Aye. Sometimes some stories come about, you hear about it in a paper, you read about it, you wonder, you know, if things can just so close to you, Alright, here we go on. Long and short of the story, because I know you must have wonder what go on.
Yeah.
Me I need one information, one thing for your brother right now. You understand? Me get good news and I get bad news at the same time. You understand me? I say, but me don't know how him gonna take it. You understand? But at the end of the day, my perfect time to talk to him about me and you know.
No.
So
Me not
me-
ready yet. Me not ready yet. And that me come to you now.
What you
tell
mean you're
about.
not ready, yo?
And that me come to tell you now, boy.
You say it already
My
about that.
brother call me.
Your brother call you?
Yes, I'ma go up on yard. He might tell me say public tell him something. That you tell him something. And me swear think I find out about me and you. Anyways, and then that he find out about. That's the greatest thing. So no bother.
What you mean
with it.
greatest thing? What you talk about greatest? This is hiding me, you know. Every day me get up out of my bed and me I think about you and me. You understand me? I say, them the things that happen to me. And on my profile that. And now me I make the effort to make me and you just join one part of moving. How you deny me? Eh?
Because me understand.
Me a Judas? Eh? You sell me out? You sell me out, you know?
Babes, give me a chance to talk now. Me understand what you say, but even yesterday, I said to me, say, if me not find one man yet, and me have to tell him, say, no, me no want a man a play. Babes, come back.
So you tell the man saying I'm a man? You get the opportunity to introduce me in a situation. How you tell me feel right now? Put yourself in my big size 10 shoes and tell me how you
Put
feel.
yourself in a for me 8 size shoes and tell me how you feel.
I feel neglected. Honey, you can't deal with me, so you know. You make me feel like me no real to my friend, because I hide things to my friend. And you not real to your brother, your flesh and blood. Eh? Or if a man just, you know, just don't want to zone and hide every time. Eh? You're a big man, you know. And if you know, see you're a big man, me a big man. Baby, what we go do? What you plan for do? Right now, over there we go right now, you know. Because I have information to tell you. What you say?
Okay then.
Say it again?
Okay then.
Humbug. Yeah!
Okay then.
Hush. Babes.
Yep. Where you get this up in there from?
Babes. May I talk to you?
No, not him for
Babes.
sure.
Babes, may I talk to you? Just trust me no. Trust me no, babes. Believe in me, please. Sit down. Please. Open up the door, baby. Babe. No, you're going to cuss, but just listen, please.
Yeah, listen.
Right, you are going now. You remember what I tell you about the little girl. Like each time I go in that town, I always see her, she beg people and everything. You get to me and say, what am I there? And my mind just think about her like, you see me, I wonder why the reason she in the street a beg, why in situation. You get to me and say, even what day when I do some woman run out, see me I deal with something in public. Like me go out there and I see her. So now I go out in the town and I look for her. Which for me always see her, I not see her. When I go upstairs, she fall up on this cardboard at the garbage heap. And she a tremble. I feel her, I know there's something wrong, so I run with her to the ambulance. I think I see her, then say she have. So the person tell me, say, I can't bring her back on the road. I don't know what else to do. So if I need one night or 2 nights, I can just have her here so till me go to the station or find the proper information about she. But
No,
can't put her back on the road, babes.
Me not like that. Me not like that. That sound like a trouble. That sound like problem. Me not want a problem. Babes, me not feel comfortable with that.
Babes, me know say me wrong. Me know say the situation wrong. But by an idea, and you always tell me say, yo, we have to help people, we have to help stranger. And by an idea, it look like we now whole now, but by an idea, when you help her, and if her parents then come for her, by an idea, you go feel better, me I go feel better. I just got to feel, and I just need your support. Me need your support, please. Cause by an idea, she look like around 13 to 15. Me can't go left her back push for me see her because me claim to say she feel better. Then maybe next thing me upon news, then run and train upon him. And then me have to owe it to myself, say, you better me do the right thing. Come on, babes. You're a girl child, just like she. I mean, I really a blackmail, but please, just if I need it for one night.
I don't like this. God no, I don't like this.
Alright, babes. Alright, you are going. Just the one night.
God no, I don't like this, but
Yeah,
alright, we go work
the
with
one
it.
night, please.
Alright.
So you are going on. Go just go see if she asleep. And by an idea, when she wake up, we can make sure I look a bed and something. Isn't it? Thanks, here. Hold up. Public, what go on?
You never tell me. Yo,
Everything happened so fast. Be vexed with me. You know how this.
brother, me have good news and me have bad news. You want to talk yourself or are we going to do a talk?
Basically, everybody there is a family and she asleep. Me take the good news first.
Well, the good news is, and her real parents she live with, she's adopted. You understand? She kind of went run with because the people them, you know, I don't even know if a good news be a bad news. I'm give you news right now. The people them want to stay with, basically, I tell her, I say, if you go around, go do things.
Huh?
Yes. So that's why she run with.
That's why when me give her the bowl and me go to her, she act.
Yeah, they might beat her, they might abuse her, and do all kind of things to her.
Me I tell you.
So the next thing is now, you know, I don't know if the real parents them, I go, you know, you're right now.
So basically I tell me say, the parents them adopt her, she don't know her right parents them.
No, she don't know her
Them
right
a beat her, send her go road, go beg. And maybe other things going on
Abuse her,
about abuse her. That's why she run away.
Exactly, exactly.
So the parents them now what adopt her, make a report of a station. So the police they want her.
Yeah.
So what me fi do? Just tell me what fi do. Why
Listen.
writing?
You see what I'm going right now? Our parents them, what adopt her, file a report down a police station. So right now, you know, it thing gets sticky where she in a one situation where them are going to search for her. No, you have her here now causing issue where if them find her down here so then can say you know me if you understand me I say.
I understand what you're saying now, but here I know, you know my car do me having this now. If they even come find her here, so at least me bring her to the ambulance. So the report is there, so that can take up some local problem for me.
Well, that good.
But basically, me no want him come find her here, so.
So brother,
Sis.
me need the one yesterday. So this is not good. What you do not good. Me tell us that me even have a gut feelings. You're still not here.
So wait, am I alone? This was a secret from?
Babes,
Are you just tell me this?
babes, please. Babes, please. This is not a secret. Remember, say you're the first person I say it to you. Know? The only part I never say it to you the second time I go out the road. So me still wrong, but me never hide from your babes.
Do you
Tell me, I
want
don't
to?
feel comfortable with this alone.
Yo, what you say? Because when I come for sure your vibe, but it's a kind of different still. So
Alright. You what me I say?
Pinky, me go.
To me see it right now, I just me alone in this local problem. But me just know say
man,
some
you're
part.
she night, bro, because she have to be beside you in that situation. You me go do, me go left it to her, me talk. Pinky, what you do? You go back
I'm cut to man.
down the road because you see you're
Alright.
going to buy the stuff
Here
then.
what? May I have to go down the station tomorrow?
That is it.
Thanks.
That is it.
Thanks.
We have to go to the station tomorrow because this kind of answer. She looks so innocent. I don't know.
Public. What you say about tell me?
Me I say just do the right thing. You don't have to decide what I do. But I me tell you, me do my work, me get all the information for you so you know what is what. So you don't have to know, I wonder where she come from, all them something. And she said, go down a police station, then you can start from this because she look like a good girl. You know what I mean? And when
So
people
hold on,
get...
wait two just come pop up
man,
so.
you see, I just saw time in work and things, man.
Alright,
When
watch
you
out.
come, miss him a come,
Go on
so.
road. Yeah man, a shop, I know a shop where I go. Because she went to buy one thing on the road. Right?
Yeah.
And yeah man, because she left her change and she never really had no change and she want to change.
Public, she awake.
Baby!
How you say look well?
Later, bro.
Yo, we
Public!
Yo, we talk.
Public!
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. Remember guys, share up the bad movie I know. Never give up on your blessings. And big up to all who turn out and give us strength in this movie and make it possible. Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people. So just like, share, comment and tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. Big up PFS Films, you know a code. Big up Richard Brown Films, Public Report, you know I go. Big up Jamaican Wood said we.